Hello, I'm Fred Casey, and this is our bird's eye maple resonator tenor ukulele. You can see the bird's eye figure on the back, and on the top you see a cover plate, and inside that plate is an aluminum cone that acts as a resonator to give the uke a louder sound and also a unique tone. I'm going to give you a couple of examples. Here's what it sounds like picked. And here's what it sounds like played chord style. And I messed that up totally. Here's what it sounds like chord style. CF Casey, Bird's Eye Maple Resonator Tenor Ukulele.